Hi guys, in this video we discuss about while loop. What is this while loop? Here while is a keyword in Python. With the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as condition is true. Okay, now I'll write while loop. While loop can execute while loop can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. If the condition is true, then only it will go inside the while loop. Okay, now I'll show you some syntax, how we have to use this while loop so that you can understand easily. See, first initialization. Next one is while keyword followed by condition and colon, some indentation, doing some indentation, and some block of code. Next, some updation. It's an updation. Update means the initialized value should be updated for the next iteration. This while loop is widely used. If you ask me which one is better, whether is while loop is better or for loop is better, see, every loop has its own advantages and disadvantages. If you use while loop, if you use for loop, there is no time complexity more and space complexity. It has its own advantages and disadvantages. You can use whatever you want. Both plays most vital role in Python programming language. Okay, let's use I'll give some examples so that you can understand easily about while loop. Now I'll zoom in. It's okay. Now it's okay. If I want to print numbers less than 10, take I equals 0 equals 0. Say I'm using first initialized while I less than equals to 10. Next column, some indentation. Next, print I. This I'm printing I. Next, I am doing updation. I equals to I plus 1. That's all. Just save this and execute the code. See, this is our code. I equals 0 while I less than equals to 10. Say is a variable. Print I. I'm just updating the value. Let us see the output what we get. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think you understand the syntax on this example also. Next, we'll go to some other examples so that you can understand easily. See, this is for printing right here. Printing 10 numbers. Next, we go for printing 10 numbers. Those are only even. Let us see how can I explain it. Now yes, see, printing 10 numbers, only even numbers between 0 to 20. Okay, 0 to 20. In this 0 to 20, you have to print only the even numbers. Let us see how you have to do. I'm giving just I equal to 0. Next, otherwise I equals to 1. Right? Right? I less than equals to 20. The indentation. See, I'm using if condition. If I modulus 2 equal to 0, then print I. Means I'm printing the only even numbers. Else pass. We don't use pass also no problem. Let us don't use this. Now I equals to I plus 1. Save it and execute now. We'll get only the even numbers between 0 to 20. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These are all even numbers. If you want print odd numbers, I will show you how to print. Else, else print even number. Let us see the output. See in each statement, see odd number, see odd is one, odd number is one, even number is two, odd number three, even number four. Like this you will get. I think you understand the logic I am saying. See, this is about while loop. While loop is widely used, not only here, not only that, you can use in further videos. I'll tell you about what is a break statement, what is a pass, what is here. I don't want to execute. Here, I don't want to execute this. I'll make it as comment line. See, I don't want to execute this line, so I'll make it as pass. Pass is a keyword which is used in Python. Just don't execute this block of statement. Go to the next block, like else block. Let us see the output quality here. I'm saying further videos, I'll discuss about see 1, 3, 5, 7, line 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Otherwise, we can modify it. Otherwise, we can modify it. I'll make it less. In further videos, I'll discuss about what is print odd numbers. Somewhere else invalid syntax. Wait, let me check. Think you will get that. Right here. Now it will be fine. So odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. I think these are all the odd numbers. You know the logic, right? Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.